Hi, this is Dave Corpy, and thanks for coming to the MassFlowMetersAndControllers website. If you're ready to purchase, I'll show you how to do it. And also, I'd like you to enter your name and email so you can get a 5% discount for ordering. I'm going to show you how you'd order a meter. I'm going to run through really quickly, and you can press pause and do this and see the process. The process that's confusing to most folks is how to get started. So once you select the meter you want, this is the part right here. Click here to start. Notice these grayed out fields with the red writing. I'm going to select an 822, and this window will pop up. And in this window, what I want to select is the flow rate. So I'm going to say 5 liters per minute, and I have all these different flow rates. So I'm going to use SLPM, and I'm going to select nitrogen, and then I'm going to verify that I want the nominal operating pressure at 30 psi. This particular one is 35 psig, and the maximum operating temperature on this is 29 degrees C. And here we have a calculation showing that this flow meter is happy with these selections. If I were to select some too large of number, this pop-up will come up and coerce it to the correct number. Notice that the maximum of this is 50. So it automatically makes it to 50. So I'm going to change it back to 5. And once I'm done, I'm going to click press exit to fill order flow, and you'll see that it's filled out all the information within the grayed out areas. Now all I have to do is select what kind of fitting I want, and for the most part it's already selected to what you would want. You could select any one of these different things. A lot of folks like to have 4 to 20 milliamps. You'll notice it costs $40 extra to have 4 to 20 milliamps. There are certain display options that you can get, and if you want to see what these options are, pressing details will pop up windows showing a number of different displays, and these displays can be selected showing a photograph and all the information. So once you've decided whether you want a display, it basically shows you how to make that choice. Additionally, you can select what power supply. I recommend most people get the power supply for their voltage. It's much easier, it plugs in. If you want a connector and cable, please note that the price of the connectors and cables for the 8-foot, 12-foot, 25-foot, and 50-foot cables are all the same. If you want some extra cable for free, I'd get the 50-foot cable, which has the DB9 connector included with it. Once you press add to cart, after you check and see everything is what you are looking for, you'll have a confirmation showing what the description of your flow meter. It's 5 liters per minute at 70 degrees F for nitrogen at an operating pressure of 35 psig. There's no low flow option and other such things. You're getting PV1, 12 to 15 volts, the output 0 to 5 volts, and you're getting a power supply and a 50-foot cable and connector, and for the price of $630. You can either use Google Checkout, which is very easy, a lot of folks do it, or you do the normal checkout. And the checkout here, if you do want to make a quotation, you can use this checkout. You can use the checkout this way, and I'm going to fill the information in, fill all of my personal information out, company information out, click next. And in order to get your quotation, as you fill all your information out, rather than filling out your credit card, use a purchase order number and call it request for quote, or anything you want. It really doesn't matter what you write. And it's helpful if you fill out I found your website using whatever, where you found it. I found it using Google. And once you click next, you'll get your confirmation here showing that you've purchased a meter for $630, or actually gotten a quotation for $630, and you haven't paid any money for it. So this will allow you to do it just to get a quotation. If you want to actually buy it, use your credit card. But just to get a quote, that's what you have. Once you click submit, and a receipt for your records, and you will get an email that confirms your order, such as this one here in my email box. Then you could use the quotation to purchase your, make a request for purchase. Here we have a total of 6 different types of mass flow meters and flow controllers. The two on the rightmost are flow controllers. The top row has flow meters and controllers with displays. The bottom row has mass flow meters and controllers with no displays. The flow meters in the middle go up to 175 liters per minute. The flow meters on the left go from 10 cc's to 50 SLPM. The flow controllers on the right go from 10 SCCM to 50 SLPM. These are specialized mass flow meters and controllers used for gases, hydrogen, nitrogen, gases used in the semiconductor industry, bioresearch, and fermentation, and lots of R&D. So if you are interested in purchasing these and want to get a 5% discount, slide down to the bottom of this page, fill out the form to get your 5% discount. You will get an email from me. You will need to confirm that email. Once you confirm that email, then you'll be on the list that gives you the 5% discount and how to apply it. Thank you very much, and thanks for visiting my website. Bye-bye.